Check it out, everyone. I got my new Gregory Paragon 58. Picked it up from REI during the 4th of July sale, or pre-4th of July sale. Take a look at this thing real quick. It's 58 liters. There's an outside pocket here, side pockets, 2 compression straps per side with a side zipper for full access. Nice floating belt that moves as you walk. Can't wait to get this thing loaded up and on the trail. This is gonna be fun. Breathable straps. The back is way more breathable than the other ones. This is nice. Good job, Gregory. This is great. Oh, look at that water bottle on the side, but it's accessible from the front. So if you're wearing the pack, you can pull that out and grab your water bottle or access whatever's in there. Pretty deep. Shouldn't have anything falling out. Got a top zipper up here. Rainfly cup. Okay, so the rainfly is in that zipper under the lid. It's a top load. Has the pouch for your hydration kit and your hook and strap to hang your bladder from, whatever works for your specific bladder. Cinch cord at the top, the easy release. Got access to your sleeping system on the bottom here with the zipper. And your compression straps to cinch down your sleep pad or tent, whatever you choose to put down there. Here's these zippers are easy pull too. So nice. You got the divider here, so you can divide your clothes from your sleep system, or fold it down and just squeeze everything together. It's good design, I like that. And then the hip straps have pockets. These aren't the mesh ones like some of the previous packs. It's water, it seems pretty water resistant, so if you have your phone or a GPS or electronic in there that don't want to get wet during rain, work well. Fully adjustable straps, it's gonna be cool. All right, I just wanted to show everybody this new Paragon 58 real quick. I'm gonna mess around with it a little bit, and then I'll be doing a review and comparison to my Savant 48 that I replaced with this Paragon. So stay tuned. I hope you guys get something out of this, and hope it helps you make a decision to get a new pack if you need one. So send any questions my way in the comments, and like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.